all up in my mind trying to resolve my rationale. They're really out to catch it, but they're frontin' like Pharrell. Out the X, a nigga life could be hotter than hell, but you wouldn't catch me slipping even if my record sell. I'm like Scottie Pippen, I go hard when niggas bail. When they fumble on that rock, I'm the one to make it seal. Still, I'm not the only nigga in here making a deal. I roll only with niggas that know about keeping it real. I'm not selling out, not if labels label me a target. I wanna sell, but I'm not gonna labor in your market. I'm fortunate enough to know exactly what a farce is, and as far as I
I got broads in Atlanta, just to throw me in the family. Credit cards and the scammers, hitting the licks in the band.